Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to create a complete report template in BeGuest. Creating custom report templates is a key tool for managing your event. That is why in this video I'll show you on the step-by-step on how to create a reusable tailor-made report. Let's go! To begin, go to Content menu and select Report Templates. Here, you'll create a template that can later be reused across different events. Let's create a first report template. Click on Create Template. As you'll see, there are many different report types. If you want to learn more about each one, check out the video Reports in Depth. Now let's continue. In this case, we'll create a classic master report, so we'll name it Master and then save it. Let's select the fields. Once the template is created, you'll see a column on the left listing the different fields you can include in your report. Each field will become a column in the Excel file. For example, you can add a name, a surname, an email, or the group that each guest belongs to. These come from the main module of the report type that we selected. You can also include fields from your custom forms. For instance, if you want to include a personal document info, you might add a document number or the place of issue. Or if you need travel data, you can select the airline or the arrival date. You can also arrange the fields in the order you want. Just drag them up or down to customize how the columns will appear in the Excel. Additionally, in the third column, you can define the sorting criteria for the data. For example, we'll first sort by group and then by surname. Once you're done, just click on Save, and that is it. Now you have a report template that you can use for any event. You'll be able to view your data on screen or report it as an Excel file. Congratulations on making it to the end. As you've seen, it's super easy to create a personal report in BeGuest. Thanks for trusting us. See you on the next time.